Today I will introduce to you the skid steer Lotus T750. The color is XCMG gray. The height is 1.54 meters. The length with bucket is 2.69 meters. The length without the bucket is 2.06 meters. The width is 0.98 meters. The width with the bucket is 1.1 meters. The maximum operating height is 2.9 meters. And the height to the bucket is 2.16 meters. The maximum height with the bucket level is 1.81 meters. The unloading height is 1.6 meters. And the unloading distance is 0.45 meters. And the maximum load is 415 kg. Lifting force 4.5 kN. The ground clearance is 0.23 meter. And the truck are 18 by 72 heavy duty type, equipped with LED lights. Solid operation. Equipped with Yamaha 380 engine, 3 cylinders, meeting the Euro 5 emission standard. Step 1, turn on the main power. Step 2, left throttle. Step 3, ignition start. Move forward, backward, left and right. Pull back, boom up. Push forward, boom down. Left and right, control the bucket. Left and right, control the bucket. This is the operation system.